for a smaller model. So in 1919, they tested a 5-quart version for the home. Now the only question was, what to name this culinary contraption?
One of the spouses of one of the executives said, "I don't care what you call it, all I know is it's the best kitchen aid I've ever had."
Since then, this mixer has basically stayed the same for decades.
The current product was designed by Egmont Ahrens, who was a famous industrial designer in his day, in the 30s. And from that time on, the product has changed very, very little.
Each year, KitchenAid's Greenville, Ohio plant produces over 1 million of these famous figures.
Cuda.
And all the stands start turning when raw gear cases arrive from suppliers. The parts are then put through a machine which drills 2 holes into the gear case, allowing it to eventually match up with other parts of the mixer. The cases are then put through a robot polisher which preps the parts for painting. Then employees place the pieces on a hanger, which trick the parts into a storm cloud of paint, where they receive a coating of color.
The challenge part really is the paint process. We have that unique die cast and real heavy feel to our product. And in order to paint that, it really requires a lot of skill.
The parts are then sent to the curing oven, where they bake at a sizzling 330 degrees Fahrenheit.
And we have extensive inspection afterwards to ensure that we don't have any defects on that painted part.
Now it's time to assemble the mixer's motor. 76 individual parts go into this intense operation. And while this is highly detailed work, a mixer maker can usually assemble at least 10 motors each hour. Finally, the motor and all of the parts combine together